This is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders. One of our students, he got placed recently. He will share some experience.
Yes. So my name is Rakesh Kumar. I joined the PySpider in the month of September in 2024. I am from the Bihar and I have completed my Bachelor of Technology from Darbhanga College of Engineering, Darbhanga with the aggregate CGPA of 7.78. In the PySpider, I learned the Python from the Lakshmi sirs and Django from the Alex Anthony sirs, and from the Keshav sir also taught me advanced concept of the Python. I learned SQLs and web technology here, and experience were very excellent in the PySpider, who all the trainer helped me a lot throughout the whole journey, and he stayed with me whole preparations along with me. That's all. Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.